In this FM web tutorial, we'll be taking a look at historical tracking. With historical tracking, you can view individual trips which occurred earlier in the day, yesterday, last week, or even 6 months ago. The historical tracking function is located under the tracking menu. Once it has been selected, click on the arrow to maximize your view. Before you can look at past trips, you first have to make your selection. Click on the eye for the main selection criteria view, or access the individual categories. Select the required vehicle. If you'd like to see if specific events have triggered, then select the event. Please note, only events that occurred during the trip will be displayed. To view events that have occurred out of trip, please view the Mixin Site Detailed Event Report. And lastly, the date. It is only possible to have 3 days or less. We can click on Description or Registration to sort the list alphabetically. To move through the pages, either click on the arrow or use the scroll. A cross next to the vehicle indicates that there are trips available. Click on the cross to expand, and all the past trips are listed in chronological order. Again, click on the cross to expand to view the sub-trip information. To view if any events were triggered during the trip, expand the cross next to the sub-trip. To see the trip plotted on the map or to replay the trip, click on the trip to select it. Then right-click and select Show on Map. To replay the trip, right-click on the trip and select Replay Trip. If we look at the top of the map, we can see it is buffering for replay. At any time we can end the trip, right-click and click Stop. We can also center on an event on the map. To do this, ensure that the event list is expanded. Right-click and select Center on this. For more in-depth detail, please consult the help file. And this brings us to the end of this tutorial.